Welcome to MindScience, where we explore the fascinating world of psychology. Today, we're going to talk about how to make difficult decisions. Making a decision is never easy, especially when there's no clear answer or when the stakes are high. But there are certain strategies that can help you make better decisions. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand that every decision we make is influenced by our emotions and our biases. Our emotions can cloud our judgment and make it difficult to see things objectively. Our biases can cause us to favor one option over another without considering all the facts. So, it's important to take a step back and try to see the situation from a neutral perspective. Next, make a list of the pros and cons of each option. Write down everything that comes to mind, even if it seems insignificant. This will help you see the situation more clearly and weigh the options objectively. Another strategy is to imagine yourself in the future, looking back on the decision you made. How would you feel if you chose one option over the other? Would you have any regrets? This exercise can help you consider the long-term consequences of your decision. Sometimes, it can be helpful to talk to someone you trust about your decision. They can offer a different perspective and help you see things you may have missed. Just be sure to choose someone who will give you honest and objective feedback. Finally, listen to your gut. Sometimes, we just have a feeling about what the right decision is. Trust yourself and go with your intuition. Making a difficult decision can be stressful, but by using these strategies, you can make a well-informed decision that you can feel confident about. Thanks for watching MindScience, and we'll see you next time.